Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun and practical decluttering challenge for you and your entire family. It's called the Moving Box Challenge. And this is one of the easiest and simplest ways to clear things out that you no longer need. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Flora, your certified simplification coach for over 27 years. All right, let's get started with the challenge. Here's how it works. Give every member of your family one moving box. Yes, just one. It doesn't have to be a lot, and it doesn't have to be fancy. Any cardboard box will do. And the idea is to pretend that you're going to be moving into a new house and you only want to take the things that you truly need or want. So step one is to get a moving box, one for each person in the home. Step two is pretend that you're moving and imagine that you're packing up your entire house to move. And I want you to ask yourself, what would I absolutely not want to waste my time, energy, or money moving? These are the items that you're going to put inside of your box. And I want you to think about all the things that have been collecting dust or just kind of taking up space, or the things that you keep moving in order to get to those things that you actually use. Step three, as you go through your items, I want you to ask yourself these three simple and powerful questions. Number one, would I pay to store this particular thing? If the answer is no, it's probably not worth keeping. Question number two is, when was the last time that I used this item? Has it been months or even years? If so, in the box it goes. And number three, if this was gone tomorrow or even this afternoon, would I even notice or miss this thing? I want you to really be honest with yourself about this. These questions make it so much easier to decide what belongs in the box and also what does not. Step number four, which really makes this challenging, extra fun, and very exciting, is getting everybody involved. Each family member gets their own box and fills it with items that they no longer want. And you can even set a timer for like 20 minutes to make this a quick decluttering sprint. This is one of the things that my family and I do at the end of every single year, and it's so fun, and you're going to be shocked and surprised at how fast this moving box will fill up for you. Step number five, once everybody fills up their box, take a moment to sort through them. Decide what can be donated, what can be recycled, and what can be thrown away. You'll be amazed at how much lighter your home feels without all this extra clutter. Step six, after the challenge is finished, take a moment to really just reflect. Was this easy or was it hard to let go of everything? Did anything that you put in the box surprise you? The goal here isn't just to declutter, it's to really rethink the way that you value your possessions and value what you actually have in your space and what truly matters to you. Well, that's it for the Moving Box Challenge. It's simple, it's fun, and it's incredibly effective. Grab some boxes, give it a try. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing that you're putting in your moving box? If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a little decluttering inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.